Hello. We're going to show you a quick explanation of how to do your systems of equations problems on ALEKS. So let me get rid of my ugly mug. Peace, ugly mug. Get rid of that. And there's two ways to get to your assignment. You could, if yours looks like this, you can click on the assignment list here, okay, and go to Graph Systems of Inequalities, or if that's not showing up, just click on the triple lines, go to assignments. And again, we are talking about graph systems of inequalities. Okay, so it's going to look like this when you start. The first 8 problems are problems like these where they're both already solved. Okay, eventually you'll get some problems like number 9 and 10 where you do have to do some solving on your own. Okay, so let's go back to the ones that are solved. So I want you to see kind of the process that you would go through for these. So I'm going to put my line. Remember, you click the line button to start your line. I'm going to start my top one. Y-intercept's -8. I click, and the slope is +3. So that's up 3, right 1. And then I do need to make sure I pay attention. This is supposed to be a dotted line. So let's make it dotted. And for that one, it is a y is less than, so I would shade down. Okay. So I know my answer is going to be somewhere in this shaded area. My second line, it should end up splitting it. Now, the one thing that kind of sucks when this happens is it'll randomly get rid of part of it. And I'll show you it's not necessarily going to give you the right answer. So don't assume it's giving you the right answer. But it's going to split this up and it's going to take off some of the shading. We'll put it back and then we'll get our final answer. So y-intercept is 5 for the second one. And the slope is -4, so that's down 4, right 1. Notice it just got rid of this little section, so I'm going to put that back in there. That way I can think about which one is the right answer. So this is my solid line. It is supposed to be solid, so I don't need to change it. And now, with the eraser, I'm going to have to erase the one that I don't need. So here's my solid line. I know it's either here or here. One of those is the correct answer. And my solid line, that's y is greater than. So the correct answer is this section. So I want to leave that there, and I want to erase the other one. Okay? And then I can check. It'll tell me whether I did it right or wrong. Okay? Now let's go ahead and do another one here. Well, you can see this again. Put them on the graph. Y-intercept's -5. Slope is -2, so down 2, right 1. That is a dotted line, so make sure I make it dotted. And that one is a less than. Y is less than, so I'm going down and I'm clicking my shading. And I'm going to start my second line. Remember, part of this is going to disappear. I just need to make sure I put it back. Y-intercept is 3, and the slope is 2, 2 over 1. So from here up to right 1, and it just got rid of some of it. Let's bring it back. So I just clicked my shading back on there. And my second line is supposed to be dotted. So let's change it to dotted. And then I'm going to grab my eraser. This is the one I'm worried about. That second one says y is greater than. So y is greater than is here, up. So that's where that one is shaded. So I leave that one there and I get rid of this one. And I can check. Okay, one more just in case. See if I can find one that has a fractional slope. Let's see any. It's all right. We'll just do number 3. So y-intercept is -7. My slope is +3. So up 3, right 1. Boom. That is a solid line, so I'm going to leave it be. And my shading, that is y is less than, so I would shade down. So somewhere over here, my final answer is going to be. Okay. Y-intercept 7. And my slope is -4. 1, 2, 3, 4 down, right 1. Okay, gets rid of part of it. My second line is supposed to be dotted. So I need to change that to dotted, and it's y is greater than. So looking at this line, y is greater than is up here. So that's my answer. This one I need to get rid of. And that's graphing on ALEKS in general. Okay, hopefully that helps. You should get your score you're looking for is an 80%. That's 8 out of 10 correct. If you get to 100%, that does give you extra credit for this assignment. Okay, we will see you. Enjoy getting this done.